Welcome to DWA Commerce. In this video, you will learn how to use the Retail Point of Sale (POS) application. This is the first part of a two-part tutorial series on the POS app, and it will cover how to process an order. Upon opening the app after a fresh installation, you will be prompted to enter a URL, username, password, and customer ID. Click Save to proceed. After this, you will arrive at the login page, where you will need to enter your username, password, and select a store terminal. We will discuss how to determine which store you are logging into and how to change stores in the second part of the tutorial. After logging in, you will be directed to the main page. If you want to track the customer's purchases and offer them personalized experiences, such as loyalty discounts or customized promotions, you can add them to the POS application. To do this, click on the Add Customer title on the header. If the customer is new, you can create a new customer profile by clicking on the Add New Customer button and filling in their details. If the customer is already in the system, you can find them by searching for their name, contact information, or email. For example, I will search for the customer named Ayush by leaving the default selection of name and entering Ayush in the search field. If there are multiple customers with the same name, you may need to search using the customer's contact number or email. Once you have located the customer, click on the Select Radio button next to their name to add the customer. The Add Customer title will then be changed to show the customer's name. In this case, it will be changed to Ayush. To process a sale order, you will need to add the items that the customer is purchasing to the transaction. This can be done by scanning the item's barcode or manually entering the product information. For this tutorial, let's consider the Fossil ES3284 women's watch as the product we want to add to the cart. We will now go through each method one by one to add the product to the cart. To add the Fossil ES3284 women's watch to the cart using the barcode method, tap on the barcode icon, then simply scan the barcode and the product will be added to the cart. To add the product to the cart by name, tap on the plus icon and enter Fossil in the search field. From the suggestions, tap on the Fossil ES3284 women's watch and it will be added to the cart. To clear the inventory, tap on the clear icon located in the bottom right corner of the footer section. To add the product to the cart by going through categories, first tap on the accessories category since watch is part of accessories, then tap on the watches subcategory. Next, select the Fossil brand subcategory to see all the Fossil watches listed. Finally, tap on the Fossil ES3284 women's watch product listing to add it to the cart. After you have added a product or products to the cart, you can apply promotions or loyalty points discounts and offers. To do this, click on the gift icon next to the barcode icon in the footer. It's important to make sure that you have added a customer to the transaction before attempting to apply loyalty points discounts, as you will receive a party not found and add party message if no customer is associated with the transaction. Once a customer has been added, you can enter the number of loyalty points that you want to redeem as a discount. However, in this case, the customer does not have any loyalty points available, so we will move to the Promotions application. Tap on the promotion icon, which is the second icon from the right side of the footer section and is depicted as a pair of scissors, creating a cutout shape. When you tap on the icon, a screen will open where you can enter a promotional code if the sale order is eligible for one. In this tutorial, we will not be entering a promo code. Now we will move on to the billing part of the transaction. To do this, tap on the currency note icon. A new screen will open. On this screen, you can choose the method of payment: cash, debit or credit card, or bank. Simply click on the corresponding checkbox to select the desired method. If a customer wants to pay for part of a purchase with cash and the rest with their debit card, a split tender transaction must be processed. To do this, the cash checkbox must be selected and the amount of cash being provided as payment must be entered. For example, if the customer is paying INR 1060 in cash, this amount would be entered. Then, the checkbox for debit or credit card must be selected. The system will automatically calculate the remaining amount that needs to be paid with a credit card. After the credit card transaction has been completed, the reference number for the transaction must be entered and the Save button clicked. If all of the information is correct, a payment process successfully message will appear. A preview of the receipt can then be reviewed, which will include the subtotal, any discounts applied, loyalty points, and the grand total. The amounts paid by cash, credit or debit card, and check will also be listed. To finalize the transaction and print the receipt, the green check button must be clicked. This will complete the order and provide confirmation that it has been successfully processed. This concludes part 1 of the POS app tutorial. If you have doubts, contact DWA Commerce support team.